Thank you for purchasing the golden Buzzaround CarryOn travel scooter with Mobility Plus North Scottsdale. Today I will be demonstrating how to disassemble and reassemble your travel scooter, making it easier to travel with. To begin, make sure that your scooter is level with the ground and that you've turned it off. So to begin, we're going to put the seat down, lift the yellow lever underneath, and lift it off of the post. Next, we're going to pull these two black tabs on each side of the post and push it down so it rests on the base of the scooter. Next, we're going to fold the basket up by pushing the bottom of it up and pushing the sides in until it clicks. Next, we're going to pull this yellow lever here on the handlebar of the scooter, push it up, bring it all the way down until it locks in at the base. It will lock in right here, and once you know that it's locked in, it won't be able to come up. Final step, we're going to take the seat and put it back onto this post right here until it clicks. To make it easier to carry, there's a handle here at the front. Lift it up, and you're able to pull it like a suitcase. And now I'm going to do those steps in reverse. To reassemble, take the seat off. This comes right off. Again, lift the yellow lever on the handle of the scooter up until it goes all the way to the top. For the basket, there's a tab on the base. Lift that down, push it out, and the inside pops right in. Again, loosen the two black tabs on either side of the post. Lift it up until it locks. And the seat just goes right back in here. Again, lift the yellow tab until it pops in. Lift the seat back up. And there you have it, your scooter all reassembled and ready to go.